Hello and welcome to Vipassana today. I am Dr. Surendra, your friend, philosopher, and guide, here to take you into the world of mindfulness and peace. Today, we're starting a special series, The 10 Stages of Meditation with Dr. Surendra, inspired by the mind illuminated by Kuladasa. Here at Vipassana today, we're blending Vipassana meditation, Buddha's timeless teachings, with neuroscience and psychology to help you reduce stress and live mindfully in this busy world. Our journey begins with stage 1, building a consistent practice. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to strengthen your routine, this is where it starts. So, take a moment, breathe deeply, and let's step into this together. Let's start with the basics. Stage 1, according to Kuladasa, is about showing up. It's about making meditation a habit, something you do every day. Think of it like planting a seed. You won't see the bloom yet, but you're setting the ground. In Vipassana, this means sitting, observing your breath, and starting to see reality as it is, just as the Buddha taught. I am Dr. Surendra, your friend, philosopher, and guide. And I know how tough it can be to find time. Meetings, phone calls, endless to-do lists. But stage 1 isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about saying, I'll sit today, even for a few minutes. That's the foundation of mindfulness. And it's where we reduce stress, one breath at a time. Why does this matter? Well, meditation isn't magic. It's a skill. Kuladasa explains it like this. Your mind is like a muscle, and practice makes it stronger. In neuroscience, we know that regular meditation builds new pathways in the brain, calming the stress centers like the amygdala, and boosting focus through the prefrontal cortex. In psychology, it's about habit formation. Small, repeated actions, like sitting daily, rewire how we respond to stress. And in Vipassana, it's about impermanence, noticing how everything shifts, even our excuses not to meditate. So, stage 1 is your first step to train the mind and find peace, no matter what life throws at you. Let's talk challenges, because starting isn't always smooth. Kuladasa points out 3 big ones: forgetting to meditate, getting distracted, and feeling restless. Maybe you plan to sit at 6 a.m., but the alarm goes off and you're scrolling instead. Or you sit, but your mind jumps to work or that argument from yesterday. In Vipassana, we don't fight this. We watch it. The Buddha said, everything changes, even our wandering thoughts. Psychology agrees. Resisting only makes stress worse. So, if you forget or fidget, don't worry. Notice it, smile, and sit again tomorrow. That's stage 1, gentle persistence. How do we make this work today? Here are my tips. Blending the mind illuminated, Vipassana, and a bit of science. Tip 1, pick a time. Choose a moment. Say 7 a.m. before the day starts, or 8 p.m. when it winds down. Neuroscience shows routines stick when they're tied to a cue, like your morning tea. Tip 2, keep it short. 5 minutes is enough. Sit, feel your breath, notice your body. In Vipassana, even a brief sit sparks awareness, reducing stress from the first day. Tip 3, make a space. A cushion, a chair, a quiet corner. I use a mat by my bookshelf. It's my signal to pause. Psychology calls this a trigger. It tells your brain, time to relax. Tip 4, let go of guilt. Missed a day? That's fine. Don't judge. Buddha's compassion starts with you. And neuroscience backs this. Guilt just clouds the mind. These tips are simple, rooted in ancient wisdom, but built for our modern lives. I am Dr. Surendra, your friend, philosopher, and guide, and I've seen them work for me and for others seeking calm. How does this tie together? Vipassana teaches us to observe, like watching waves on a shore. Neuroscience shows this calms the brain, lowering stress hormones like cortisol. Psychology adds that habits, like daily sitting, shift our mindset from chaos to clarity. Kuladasa's stage 1 is broad, but here at Vipassana today, we focus it on breath and body awareness. The heart of Vipassana. It's your first step to see impermanence, to reduce stress, and to live mindfully today. Now, let's practice stage 1 together. I am Dr. Surendra, your friend, philosopher, and guide, here to lead you, blending Vipassana and the mind illuminated. Find a seat, close your eyes if you want, and let's start. Breathe in through your nose and out slowly. Feel the air, cool as it comes in, warm as it goes out. That's your focus, just the breath. If your mind drifts to plans, to noise, that's okay. Notice it and come back. No force, just watch. Now, feel your body, your feet, your hands. Any sensations? Tingling? Warmth? Just observe, like clouds passing by. Stay here, breathing, noticing for a moment. Pause for 30 seconds. Good. Take one last deep breath and gently open your eyes. How do you feel? That's stage 1, the beginning of your journey. That's all for episode 1 of the 10 stages of meditation with Dr. Surendra. I hope you're ready to start, even just 5 minutes a day. At Vipassana today, we're blending ancient wisdom with neuroscience and psychology to reduce stress and build a mindful community. Tell me in the comments, did you sit today? What did you notice? Subscribe, hit the bell, and join us next time for stage 2, overcoming a wandering mind. I am Dr. Surendra, your friend, philosopher, and guide, thanking you for being here. Until next time, breathe, observe, and find peace. Namaste.